Okay, we are on live now.
We are on live now.
Yeah.
All right.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah.
I'm writing something.
Yeah.
BND now 598. All right. Today,
Yeah.
13th of April. So
Yeah.
we see the price of these three guys here. Let me come and look at my screen. Yeah. Oh, they can see across over my head. Yeah. So Bitcoin has crossed 60,000. I think it's hanging there right now. Ethereum is 2156 or at just a couple of minutes ago, and then you see BNB. Wow, crazy! I should not have sold at 300 plus.
Yeah.
Oh, why must it? Okay. But anyway, for those who are investing in these three very famous coins, tokens, I was just talking to Richard about the price movement.
Yeah.
Yeah. So based on what we have been looking at, we have been observing for the last 3-4 months, 6 months, how the price move is that if you chart the price of Bitcoin, it is optimistically moving towards 70 or 72,000, something like that. Yeah. So I believe Richard has done some charting according to perhaps a Fibonacci way. It seems to be going towards that direction, and of course we were expecting it to cross 60,000 and be consistent there. You know?
Yeah.
So it seems like it has crossed the Red Sea now. Yeah. So because of that, you look at how Binance is becoming more and more popular because Bitcoin price is going further and further up. So a lot of people want to get into trading. Where can they go? They will definitely ask their friends about this. Where can I go to trade Bitcoin? Where can I go to buy some Ethereum? So the most common answer they may get is go Binance and open an account and start an account and do your trading. Yeah. So the confidence in Bitcoin has grown, and of course the confidence in Binance has also grown because it helped a lot of people make money. It helped us make money. Yeah. So Binance token has really shot up, just like the price you see in the other screen share. Hey, why it disappear? Right. Anyway, yeah. So Ethereum has also been floating around 2,100 plus in the last. You look at the chart of that BNB right now. Yeah, it's going crazy. Yeah. So of course, when I bought Ethereum, the first time I bought Ethereum was like $40 over. Then I sold it at $50. Then it went up to $200. I was like, what? Then never mind. I bought it back again at 200 plus. And then it went up to 300 plus. I sold it. And then now it's 600.
Yeah, that's why it's better than hold the coin. It's better than to hold the coin than keep.
Richard told me that it's better than you hold a coin and wait for 1 year later. You buy now, maybe let's say 200 plus, it goes to 300 plus, you sell, and then when it comes back to 200 plus, you buy again, and so you actually increase the margin opportunity. Maybe you should call that. Yeah. So you actually earn more from the multiple margin they cover, because the price will always go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. So you get to earn more times in between the margin movements. Yeah. So same with Bitcoin. Some people, if you are the hodler, you just want to buy a Bitcoin, say at 60,000, and you're hoping for it to go to 100,000, 200,000, then you might have to wait for 2-3 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want to make some money early, you sell at a marginal increase, and then let the price sink down a little bit, and then you buy again. Yeah. So this is what the whales are doing. Yeah. So the whales has always been doing that because they have to make marginal earnings. And for them, $1,000 margin is a lot of money because they probably hold 1,000, 2,000, probably 1 million Bitcoin as well. Yeah, so they earn a lot from that. Yeah. So okay, that's so much for our good morning introduction, greetings, and the price over here. So I'll let Richard start today's what we are planning to share with you and discuss with you about for today.
As usual, is a major bank experience with the decentralized finance. We all know about the DeFi, and today we have a good news about the bank in Thai, Kasikornbank, has identified accept its back DeFi that have the potential to create the economic value for Thailand, because we see a lot of projects in DeFi, and we see if you can stack your USDT, stack your Bitcoin or any value cryptocurrency in the top 10 of the CoinMarketCap, you will earn some of the other cryptocurrency. That's the way of the DeFi. And now in Thailand, the bank they accept the decentralized DeFi into it. This is a good news when we see one of the open government that allow to access some DeFi, some cryptocurrency technology. We hope in the near future, all the Asia will follow up with this action. Yeah, it will bring a lot of profits for the investor. Actually, it's not much profits. It's also similar with today you deposit your BNB, you only receive around 8 to 6% for 1 year. Yeah, it's like that.
Yeah. I was talking to Richard earlier before we start our live. Actually, when I look at how DeFi is becoming more popular outside of China, of course, some of you may say, "Oh, but DeFi came from the West." Yeah, perhaps yes. Maybe the concept, yeah, or maybe the name came from the West. But China has been moving pretty far forward with DeFi, and it got very popular just a couple of years back, and now Thailand is getting on the train as well. Yeah. So we're very excited to see something in Southeast Asia, something like this happen in Southeast Asia countries, especially Thailand and Vietnam and even Malaysia. I hope they get on this as well.
I think Singapore also have the same.
Singapore have. Yeah. So because main reason is because Southeast Asia, East Asia and Southeast Asia, we have a diverse we are a diverse society, diverse culture, diverse system, more importantly. So if a diverse system, because different government govern their country differently, and perhaps the financial system is more or less similar, but still the dynamics are different. So one country may be moving very fast ahead like China, and the other country may be slightly slower behind, and then the other country will be very, very slow. But of course, if DeFi is influencing all this all in the same collective region, then I think there's a lot of potential for DeFi growth actually.
Yeah, of course. But if the DeFi want to operate, the bank they need to have be backed by something, be backed by Bitcoin, be backed by Ethereum or BNB or something other more value asset, not only the fiat currency. Yeah, that's why it's the same like today we see I saw the news about MicroStrategy. They are low. Their the the board of the director will receive the Bitcoin as the salary. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is good news. And we also received some article about the Binance will will list the token stock token
Right.
like Tesla. Yeah, you also can buy the Tesla stock on Binance Exchange too. And the other news is about the Facebook crypto project VP list for Circle. Uh, we hear the project of Facebook like Libra for a long time, and now it's changed to the DM.
Yeah.
After that, now we see one of the highest position in Facebook. He left the project to join the Circle, Circle payment gateway. Here, Circle. Circle is a crypto. Here's crypto payment company Circle hired the executive vice president for Facebook PM. Yeah. This also the good. This a news good news for Circle, but also I also don't know it's a good news for Facebook because the project of the Libra.dm get a lot of issues, a lot of criticize from European
Yeah.
community. Yeah,
It's quite, I guess it's quite a sad thing for Facebook to have their project VP leave.
yeah,
But why he leave is perhaps we can look at the main reason why he leave. But his leaving could affect public confidence in Facebook's DM.
yeah. And he's the latest high-profile staff member to lead DM. Okay, we hope in the near future Facebook can make one of the it look like CBDC or something like that in the future. Okay, now we go. I see a lot of news about the time choice Tesla to keep the Bitcoin on its balance sheet.
Time magazine.
Yeah,
Wow.
Time magazine. The Time invest in the Tesla. Tesla.
I like the first statement. It was
No.
only a matter of time.
The Time magazine buy Bitcoin. This is a Time magazine buy Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Right, because now receive some payment in Bitcoin. Look like if you want to write some article, you receive the payment in Bitcoin.
I think that's a very good move. Yeah, because I believe their writers are all over the world, right?
Yeah, that's right. Media, yeah, it's good because media partnership. If all over the world, the time use Bitcoin is very convenient for them. They don't need to transfer money somewhere. And trace for the detail regarding time. Grayscale is a cryptocurrency access management hold 3% of Bitcoin in circulation, and they also don't say something about the time partnership with Grayscale. Yeah, it's also the good news for the crypto market, um, and and we see the price of Bitcoin now is around 60,000, 61,000. Yeah, it will be around this sideways for the few days, after shooting up to the next level of the price. and we see the ETS also reach the ETS all-time highs. Yeah, of course, BNB 600,000. We also see a lot of the other coins jump up too. Yeah, the time machine. Let me see some the other article on the group because all the magazine Coinbase go public tomorrow. Yeah, today is 13. Today is 13. Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I saw this morning. I saw the other news. You can mine the Bitcoin very slowly on the Commodore.
Coinbase goes public tomorrow.
Yeah, that's right.
It's probably the day after tomorrow because they are US, right?
US time. Yeah, it's
Yes. US is still
you.
on the 12th
Yeah,
today.
that's right. You can buy the Coinbase stock based on Ethereum and the other. I also said to you in the news in the previous live stream about the Coinbase, and I think in future Binance also will list some of the stock token
Yeah.
for the
I,
other.
I believe stock token is the next craze rather.
Yeah,
Yeah. It seems like it's going to. I feel that it's going to attract a lot of people.
yeah. But in my own view, the stock the token about the stock is just for fun.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not related with any
So it probably going to stir a lot of curiosity from people who don't invest in crypto.
yeah
They may be very successful investing in stock market,
yeah
fiat stock market. But when hear human are like that. They hear
yeah
some similar sounding word. They're like, what is that? I want to check it out.
yeah
Yeah.
but
So when they say stock token, what is that? Let me
stock
check it
token
out.
but they said no
Yeah,
meaning because it's don't relate with any US stock market, and it
yeah,
just follow the price, and we that means the exchange can manipulate the price of that token.
yeah,
Sometimes in US, if the price go too high, then the exchange can set the price so maybe higher than this. And if the price too low, the exchange may set the price still higher than to earn the profits.
yeah.
Yeah, that's look like the stock market is one of the actual investment from the exchange. Yeah, this is good.
Mm,
Uh, example, if you are if you are the boss of the exchange, you want to invest in stock and you want to let the other client, the other investor invest together with you. So you can create your own token. Call it that is the ABC car to race together with you to share the risk. Yeah, and here the new just now I said to you that Victor strategy board of director now based in Bitcoin because they receive Bitcoin as uh, the asset investment asset, and now uh, some of the asset will send to the board of directors. Yeah,
yeah.
this new, but I
So
also don't know how the tax they can charge for them, something like that.
mm,
This is just want to make the importance of the Bitcoin nowadays more
right.
more, and and I and I and I think now people they will do home more than trades because with the trading we need to rely on some of the machines, some of the future contract in order to earn more. Because with the small the small traders, they may lose.
Yeah.
They may lose. Then they do the trading.
I guess the entry trader, small trader, so to speak, they probably do not have the time or patience to or the skill to determine when the price movement is advantageous to them. So probably that's why a lot of them prefer to hodl, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So for them to sit down and keep looking at the chart, and then they got so emotional, and then they start to sell when the price is going down.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
They got panic,
Yeah, that's right. That's the
Yeah.
emotion.
Yeah.
Trading is like emotion. When the markets go up, they willing to buy something, because they
Yeah.
get the FOMO, fear of missing out, and they try
Yeah.
to get. And I saw the news about the Square Copper sue the
So
self-proclaimed.
yeah.
Yeah,
Actually, the worst thing comes when FOMO is mixed with FUD.
yeah.
It's like after buying, you're like, am I doing the right thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I believe that happens in a lot of people's mind. Yeah,
Yeah.
FOMO is from here. FUD is from here. So
Yeah.
when these two clash, they were like, oh, I should just sell at any price I deem fit, and then they lose money.
And there's a news about the Peaceful CEO. They denies rumor of the data breach because change. But Peaceful was also one of the last exchange.
Yeah.
And okay, and I think it's enough for the news in this early morning. We have to live stream around 30 minutes. Let me
Right.
see.
Yeah.
22 minutes. Yeah, it's all right for us, and
Yeah.
we may do the next live stream on the Tech Talk channel.
Yeah. Because I remember when we started live stream, I was writing this time here.
Yeah,
20.
yeah. It's
Yeah.
around 20 minutes. If you have any questions, please let us know. And
Yeah. Sure.
we also need to remind to our audience about Xeonbit token SNS is on the Binance Smart Chains. Some of
Yes.
our audience, they also don't know. Oh, what is Xeonbit
I believe we
token?
need to explain to them the benefits of being on Binance blockchain. I mean Binance Smart Chain.
Smart Chain.
Yeah.
It's similar with the Ethereum chains. Binance Smart Chain is one of the look like the road, and all the project is not like car. You can make a car run on the road to join the crypto journey. Yeah, in Binance Smart Chains, it's easy to export to the world. You can uh, nowadays you can choose the other swap like the unicorn swap, Uniswap, and now it's on Binance Smart Chain have the packet swap, sushi swap, the other type of swap, and we also can example you go to the Binance Smart Chain, you copy the Xeonbit token contract, copy here, and you go packet swap, you paste here, and you will see the packet swap of Xeonbit token. Yeah, example, one BNB costs 24,251 SNS. After that, you connect your wallet with the exchange. If you don't know how to connect, you can do more research about this, or you download the Binance Smart Chain wallet extension. Binance Smart Chain wallet extension to your browser, and you have your own here. Binance Chain wallet extension. You could use
Trustworthy.
the Chat wallet, yeah, if you have a chat wallet, you can connect the chat wallet.
I think this math wallet, the name sounds interesting. It's like, wow, why was there nobody you thinking of the name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one? Mac wallet? No, this is it's a new
Yeah, you
wallet.
learn math in school, right? So it's so easy to remember the name.
Yeah,
But I love Trust Wallet. Yeah.
yeah. The chat wallet also has the TWT token. Yeah. We also
Yeah.
we will think and working with chat wallet to list our token on this again because if the token appear with the price with some active there, a lot investor will try this. Yeah, and after you add on, you can trade. You can buy our token, our crypto. I also uh, noticed to all of you there are so many projects out there and may create a lot of FOMO, may do some a
Yeah.
lot of things, but it's look like in Ethereum project in the ICO like last time, a lot of project coming out, and
Yeah.
after that they will exist when they receive some of the people buying purchase their token, but after they do the pushing the price too high, and you still keep your it's look like the seed token, but you cannot do anything with it. Yeah, but need to remind you do more research, do your own research, DYOR, to know more about the project, to try to learn how to purchase the token. Yeah, that is the thing we need to share to all of you. More information, you can go to our Twitter and you check it out. We also are available on the Twitter, the Telegram, Facebook, and all the social network. So you can check it out with this. Yeah, and I hope you all have a nice day of the beginning of this week. And it's time for us to say goodbye to everyone.
Right. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you all for joining us. I hope that if there's any doubt of or questions that you may have over XNS, XNB, or any other cryptocurrency, or anything to do with blockchain, anything to do with DeFi, you just let us know, right?
Yeah.
Okay.